Letters in the window. Clara worked at the town's only bookstore. It was small, but she loved it. The shelves smelled like old paper and salt from the sea air. Every afternoon, she sat by the front window and read. People passed by, but one man always stopped. He was tall, wore a brown coat, and always looked at the books in the window. Then he looked at Clara and smiled, just a little. This happened every day for 2 weeks. One day, Clara wrote a note and taped it to the inside of the window, looking for something special. The next day, the man smiled and nodded. The following morning, a new note appeared on the outside of the glass. Yes, something worth reading, or knowing. Clara laughed. Her heart beat a little faster. She wrote back, "Try page 245. The man left. The next day, he returned with a book, Great Expectations, opened to page 245. He showed it through the window. There was a flower inside. A new note appeared. Maybe I found it. From that day on, Clara and the man wrote notes to each other every morning. They never spoke. They never met. Just letters in the window. It felt like a secret story only they knew. Clara learned his name was Henry. He was a schoolteacher. He loved poetry and black coffee. His favorite season was autumn. She told him about her dream to travel, her love for painting, and her fear of storms. One day, he didn't come. Not the next day either. Clara waited by the window for a week. No notes, no smiles, just rain. Then, one morning, a woman came into the bookstore. She had red hair like Clara's, but older. She held a small letter in her hand. "Are you Clara?" she asked. "Yes." The woman gave her the letter. "I'm Henry's sister. He asked me to bring this." Clara opened the letter. Her hands shook. "Dear Clara, I wanted to meet you every day, but I was scared. You made me feel young again, hopeful, like I was reading a story with the best ending. But I've been sick, and now I must go somewhere far for treatment. I don't know if I'll come back. If I do, I'll meet you at the window. Same time, no notes. Just us. Yours, Henry." 2 months passed. One day, Clara sat by the window as usual. The bookstore was quiet. A new book sat in her lap. Then, across the street, she saw him. Same brown coat, same small smile. No note this time, just Henry. And Clara smiled, knowing the best stories always find their ending.